Alright, we've all heard of the phrase, we live in an age of information technology. Come on, it's the official mantra of every human being that has breathed since 2010. Sometimes the threat of cybercrime is inflated to a degree that we should all be living every moment of our lives in complete fear because some mysterious black hat hacker can turn our devices into bombs. Other times, our security is treated as some sort of practical joke. Social media companies are always collecting so much data that, we might as well be trying to reclaim our precious privacy with a net the size of a fingernail. And the reality is that both of these scenarios are scarily true to a certain extent. We may not be completely exposed every time we use the internet, but our vulnerabilities are all too exploitable, which is why I love using VPNs. Well, specifically this one VPN that I want to talk about. Alright? Let's be honest, all of those fucking bigwig corporations like NordVPN and ExpressVPN are sham. Well, okay, not exactly, but once a VPN provider becomes this big, it's not likely that they can provide a perfect shield of protection for all of their users, right? Sure, these things are completely convenient, and if you care about your privacy at all, then odds are the average user is fine with shelling out a couple bucks to them, right? It's honestly no big deal. But I'm broke and also a skeptic, but at the same time I don't want my privacy to be penetrated harder than a 50 BMG round finding its way through an average Redditor's ego. So I use SoftEther VPN. It provides alright, quote unquote, an open source free cross-platform multi-protocol VPN program as an academic project from University of Tsukaba under the Apache License 2.0. End quote. Basically, it means that anyone can use this VPN commercially or for private use. Its source code is also completely open to the public, so you can make use of that too. Alright, and this bad boy can help you bypass any kind of firewall censorship or nightclub bouncer while at the same time remaining incredibly secure so that your little ass will always be protected. Who the fuck wrote this script? Anyways, the website sort of lies when it says that it has very fast throughput, low latency. This is kind of untrue. Sometimes it lags, sometimes it doesn't, because it's a site-to-site VPN where the servers are actually created by people setting up VPN servers from their own computers. So as the VPN client user, every time you use SoftEther VPN, you're going to be using like a different server each time because the hosts might not be the same every time. There's going to be some different people setting up servers for this VPN. And so you can always connect to the central server in Tsukaba or revisit the few angels that always have their own dedicated VPN servers open. And that's what I love so much about SoftEther. It's that I'm not always going to be relying on the exact same network to hide myself under, right? Anyways, let's get started on how to use it. Alright everybody, so let's actually get into it now. In order to use SoftEther VPN, obviously we will need to download it first. Now, this is VPN Gate, this is where you should be downloading SoftEther, because there's the main website which is separate. However, you're not going to be able to get the VPN Gate client plugin along with the SoftEther VPN. That's just the main idea. So we're all just gonna click here to download it. Alright. Now, I completely uninstalled my version of SoftEther for this video, so I'm actually back to being blank. So this is bad. I'm gonna just cut straight forward. Okay, so once you OBS. Alright, so once you download this zip file here, we're just going to extract it, right? And then now we run our little setup application to download SoftEther. And we say next, thank you, arigato, yes, I totally agree. And then just do SoftEther VPN client, don't bother with the admin stuff unless you guys are just like crazy brainy. No advanced install options, next. And so we're agreeing that, our computer is gonna be connecting to other people's computers. It's peer-to-peer, that's fine. And we just let our VPN run through its usual thing. Boom. There we go. Soft Ether has finished downloading, and this is what the VPN client manager looks like. So mine downloaded here. I mean, this slot was opened because I had my previous version of Soft Ether here, but whatever. So this is your client manager. Do not bother with VPN gate public VPN relay servers. All right, for us, for the average person, it's like, no, this is the one. That's my bad. No, that's the one you're not supposed to click. That's how you set up your own VPN. For us, we're gonna be joining a relay server. All right, let's just look around. All right, let's sort by line speed. So this is the main one in Tsukaba. As you can see, it's crazy fast. You know, there's other servers here. There's all sorts of servers from all over. And so you're not always gonna get to have a pick of exactly where your server would like to be, but sometimes the Russian Federation one, for example, it pops up. Sometimes it doesn't. Or was Thailand? Yeah, some of the Vietnam, Thailand ones, they go on. Okay, they go offline. It's normal. So that's the one downside of Soft Ether, is that you're not always gonna have a full pick of exactly where you want to go, right? But otherwise, within the limited set of VPN servers that we have available, they are amazing. We can be super secure. So let's just connect to the main Tsukaba one. I say agree. We just use the recommended protocol. Cancel connection, so that one was kind of fucky. Let's just roll with this one. Agree, regular. Okay, so there we go. We just had to retry that, and now we are fully connected. We are under a secure IP address, and we're gonna be all happy. And then now we are officially in Japan, guys. We did it. So let's search Konichi what's up into our search bar. And yeah, as you can see, we have Japanese search results already, just instantly. You don't need to be restarting anything of the sort. I mean, you should if you want, but for Bing, apparently, the VPN is instant. There, now we're on some sort of weird Japanese Yahoo style forum. Some guy asked a random question. Yamete could stop here. Immediately some fucking HoloLive YouTubers pop up with the clip. Cool. Some weird anime stuff. Japanese memes, Japanese Discord, some sort of Final Fantasy mod, and as you can see, Soft Ether is great, completely seamless connection, and all we have to do is disconnect, and now we just search like beans or something, and we are back to what? Okay, now we're back to regular Bing. As easy as that. No problems here. So, hope you guys enjoyed my video.